I'm Delane Cleveland in Golden Valley. Every day, our news team is bringing you news and information from your community. Here's a look at today's top stories. And remember, you can always find more on our website at ccxmedia.org.
Hennepin County has the highest number of positive COVID cases in the state. According to the Minnesota Department of Health, there are over 18,000 cases. Some of the hardest hit areas are right here in the Northwest Metro. Brooklyn Park, Brooklyn Center, New Hope, and Crystal have the highest number of COVID-19 cases in the Metro. That's according to a report by the Star Tribune. These cities also have populations with at least 45% people of color, which is in line with the disturbing national trend.
I kind of woke up not feeling too good, but by Wednesday, I was pretty much down.
Crystal resident Felicia Parker was diagnosed in April. She has asthma and says the symptoms didn't feel like an asthma attack. She eventually went to the doctor and tested positive for COVID-19.
Started feeling sick, just body aches, really runny nose like a faucet, sore throat, itchy eyes, just weakness in my rapid breathing.
Local cities are ramping up testing in underserved populations to help stop the spread of the coronavirus.
A lot of it has to do with the fact that they work in essential jobs. So I think many of the patients in this community in particular are essential workers, and so they don't have the luxury of being able to work from home.
The Hennepin Healthcare Brooklyn Park Clinic set up a testing facility about 15 weeks ago to make it easier for people to get tested.
We've tested over 3,000 people, and we've had over 600 positive tests.
The clinic is on a bus route, which makes it more accessible.
We have bus lines that go right on Zane and Brooklyn Boulevard. There's lots of traffic up and down that street. Many of our patients actually are able to walk to us.
Brooklyn Park city officials are also increasing testing. On Monday, they teamed up with the state, county, and the group Parents and Community Action for a pop-up testing event.
We had over 1,100 people get tested for COVID-19.
The city is also using community engagement groups to help spread awareness among immigrant groups.
We rely heavily on our community leaders, either in a formal or informal capacity, to help us spread those messages.
The state also provided Brooklyn Park with thousands of masks recently.
This is part of a statewide initiative to support businesses, and we've distributed over 12,000 masks.
Officials recommend people follow the CDC guidelines, wear a mask, wash your hands, and practice social distancing.
We look forward to a day that we can talk about COVID-19 in the past and come out on the other side of this.
For more information on this story, head to our website, ccxmedia.org. In Brooklyn Park, Sonia Goins, CCX News.
The Botno Blue Line has been temporarily derailed.
Yeah, it feels like a big waste of time, a big waste of energy.
Hennepin County and the Met Council were hoping to align with Texas-based BNSF Railway to share 8 miles of the 13-mile route, but they scrapped those plans Monday when an agreement could not be reached.
Yeah, it's been extremely shocking, and that's how we have perceived and learned about this update.
Now the $1.5 billion project is in limbo.
It's a big bummer, yes.
The Blue Line is supposed to link Brooklyn Park to downtown Minneapolis, with stops in Golden Valley, Robbinsdale, and Crystal.
I was actually sad to hear it because we've been waiting for so long already, and now it's going to be further delays yet.
The Northwest Suburbs has many residents who rely on public transportation. The Blue Line News had some singing the blues.
This is a very diverse community. And I just think that would be beneficial for this area.
Other areas of the cities have much better access to light rail and bus service than we do. So yes, I think it's something that this area could use.
A whopping $129 million has already been spent on the Botno Line for planning and development. The Blue Line Coalition is hopeful the project can still be finished.
The Blue Line Coalition has tools to ensure that whatever alignment we follow, community can benefit from that.
To get federal funds, the Blue Line needs a third party to be part of the project. No one is giving up, but the vision of light rail rolling through the Northwest Metro is suddenly not as clear as it once was.
On one hand, we're very disappointed, but on the other hand, we hope that the decision makers can take this opportunity to really center community.
I just hope the politicians can get their stuff together and work this thing out.
The last stop on the proposed Blue Line route was supposed to be right here at the Target North campus. But now the future of light rail is anything but certain. In Brooklyn Park, I'm Eric Nelson, CCX News.
Hi, I'm Neil Persley, and behind me is the corporate headquarters to TCF Bank. On Thursday night, thanks to TCF Bank and the City of Plymouth, this giant parking lot will turn into a giant drive-in movie theater.
We're doing a little spin on the movies in the park. It will be a drive-in style movie series for the summer. We have 3 movies on Thursday night, starting Thursday, August 6th, the 13th, and 20th. We're hosting at 2 different sites this year. We'll have a site set up at Plymouth Creek Center parking lot, as well as TCF Bank, the Plymouth Corporate Center off of County Road 6 and Xenium Lane.
Thursday night kicks off the series with Monsters, Inc., followed on the 13th by Aladdin, and rounding it out on August 20th with The Mighty Ducks. Audio will come over your FM car stereo. The lots open at 7:30 and the movies start around 8:45. In Plymouth, Neil Persley, CCX News.
Find more local news stories at ccxmedia.org and follow us on social media.